Chapter 1 Conflict Management. It's morning time, and Deep has woken up. The events of night have left him stunned. However, to his immense surprise, a man resembling Narad is standing next to him.
Who are you?
Deep, I am Narad. Are you also suffering from short-term memory like Amir Khan in Ghajini?
No, I can't believe this. It was just a dream.
Some dreams turn into reality. So you have finally woken up.
Can you see the man standing next to me?
I think you are still sleeping. There is no one in this room apart from us. My dear Deep, no one can see me except you. Lady Luck is shining on you.
Brother, did you hear this man? He's standing here.
I think you have lost your brain or you are still sleepy. Deep, I told you, no one can see me but you.
Run, brother, there is a ghost in our house.
Come on, Deep, what nonsense are you talking about? Deep, you can't thrust your concerns on others. It is always good to accommodate the concerns of other people first of all, rather than one's own concerns.
Oh my God, what's happening?
Calm down and accept my presence here. Avoid conflict by emphasizing harmony is the need of the hour.
What do you mean?
I mean to say that you can easily avoid a conflict with your brother by just explaining things that you experienced last night.
Is it possible? Will he understand what happened to me?
Surely.
Brother Suresh, I need your help. Please try to understand me. Naradji is standing next to me. I know what I'm telling you may disturb you, but it is true. What I saw yesterday night is unusual.
Deep narrates what he saw in his dream and how Narad helped him to meet all the great personalities he admired the most.
What nonsense are you talking about? If you're joking, let me tell you this is not at all funny. And if you're serious, I think you need to consult a doctor. I think, Deep, you need to compromise with your brother. A mutually acceptable solution will satisfy you both.
I didn't understand.
To reach temporary settlement on complex issues, you need to compromise at times. Like in your case, he is not ready to understand our point of view. So, you need to reach a settlement point. With whom are you talking? You have gone mad.
Brother, I don't know what's happening to me. Maybe you're right. I'm suffering from some psychological disorder. Please help me.
Don't worry. I am with you. It may be just a hallucination, but we will consult a doctor. See? It works. Narayan, Narayan.